Hi guys, welcome to another video. We're going to be making a unicorn frame. So I started off by this wood frame that I purchased from Ross. It's an 8x10 and it was $7.99. You can use any color frame that you would like. And to remove the tag, I just used these Clorox bleach wipes, and I like these because they leave no residue. As you can see here, nothing left. So when starting your frame, you just need to see if you want it vertically or horizontally. I'm just gonna leave mine vertically because I think it uses up less flowers, and at the moment I'm kind of low on flowers, so just make sure you're having it the right way up, and then you can start by adding your unicorn horn. This unicorn horn I made in the Dreamcatcher, so I've already explained how to make this. You can use that video as a reference. So once your unicorn horn is on, you can start adding your flowers. I'm going to be using the same color flowers that I used for the Dreamcatcher because this is going to be a set with the Dreamcatcher, the picture frame, and the wreath. And again, these flowers are from Hobby Lobby. I had a few people ask me when I did the Dreamcatcher video where I purchased the flowers from. I got them from Hobby Lobby and they said they weren't finding them. Maybe the reason why they weren't finding them was because these are from the scrapbooking area. There's a scrapbooking area that has like these embellishing packages, and I believe they're from Prima Flower. But if you just look in the scrapbook aisle, you should find them. And there's many more colors to choose from. This butterfly I got in a pack of 4, and it's also by Prima Flower, and I got these again from Hobby Lobby. I just thought it was cute to add onto the frame, but if you don't want it, then you could just continue to add flowers here. I also decided to add some flowers at the bottom corner, but if you think that it's too much, then you don't have to add the bottom ones. Next, I will add these eyes. I made these in the Cameo machine. They're vinyl, and you can also make these out of felt if you don't have a machine. And this picture frame can be used for like room decor. I'm going to be using this one for a candy table that I'm making. I'm just going to put like candy bar is closed at the moment. But you can use this picture frame for anything. So this is how the picture frame turned out. I hope you guys liked it. If you have any comments, please leave in the comment section. And if you haven't subscribed, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.